It is my pleasure to bring to you Business Correspondence and Reporting course for CA Foundation. In layman's term, it is English language. Are you daunted by the prospect of reading grammar again and writing in English, doing all the big précis and passages? Don't be. Now, first of all, let me ask you, do you know the meaning of daunted? If you don't worry about it, because I will be in fact telling you big words, explaining to you how they are used. Daunted means to be scared. मतलब डरना. So आप डरना बंद करो. You have come to the right place. This course is designed for your convenience so that you can sit anywhere at your own comfort, at your own pace, and according to your suitable timing. The course is tailor-made using ICAI guidelines. The topics are chapter-wise and they flow in systematic order, beginning with communication. What is communication? Right now, what we are doing, right? So, how it works, what are the types of communication, listening, reading, writing, comprehending. What does comprehend mean? Samajhna, to understand, right? So after communication comes how to build your vocabulary, then how to string a correct sentence in English together, writing formally, and then eventually writing without any error. Okay, so that is the main aim of this course. But we have gone a step further. We have animated these videos for your convenience so that retention, that means आपको समझ, retention in your brain is better. Once that is done, we have given you lots of practice questions because practice makes a man perfect, right? If not perfect, then better. However, we have not left you there. You are not alone doing this course. We are there to hold your hand throughout the course.